All right, guys, so here we go with our intermediate functions. I'm going to go up to File and save a copy, OneDrive, and rename it. Always first or best practice to make sure that you have it saved. And in here, we've got our contact information. Use the left function for D column to take just the area code out of the phone number for each person, column C. So left function for column D. So we're in here, and we want to take that out. So we're going to go into formulas, and we're going to go in here, and there should be a function called left. So we're going to say text is going to be this guy here, and the number of characters is 3, because it should be 3 digits for the postal or for the area code, and we'll see how that works out. So basically that just told Excel to go from the left side 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and then just give the area code there. And then over here, I think the last 4 will be kind of the same function except working from the right. So we'll go right, and then we're going to go text is going to be here, and the number of characters is going to be 4, and that picks up the last of the digits. Okay, so that is that. Then we're going to go on to and or functions. So use the and function for column F to put true or false in each cell. Use the or function to put true or false in each cell for column G. Okay, so we have a man who's born in Miami. We're going to use the and function, so let's go in here, type and we will see logical. So checks whether the arguments are true and returns true if the arguments are true. So use the and function for column F to put true and false in each cell. So they are a man who is born in Miami. So logic 1 is here and equals M, and logic 2, oh, maybe I have to put a bracket around here, not 100%, there, try that, okay, and number 2 is here, and that's going to equal bracket Miami, bracket, and it looks like you do more, but let's just stick with this and see what we come up with. Okay, let's see, does this work? So true, false because it's a female, this one is false because that's a female, and this one is true because it's a male. So that one worked. Okay, whether they are a female or were born in Houston. So we want to go insert, and we want to say that this is an or, not an ort, but rather an or function. Uh-oh. That did not work. My search didn't work. Let's see. Or go. Dum dum dum. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to try this again. Go in here. Or. Okay, because it's got too many things, because it's anything that has the word or in it, maybe. Hang on, 2 shakes of the lamb still. I'm going to figure this one out. Okay, one more time. So we're in here. Insert function. And we're going to go or. Click. And then we're going to go, not in recommended, we're going to go in logical. We want an or function in logical. Let's see if we can find it in this. Yeah, it's right there. Weird that it didn't just show up. Anyway, it's fine. We got it. Okay, so logic 1 is use the or function to put true or false in each cell for column G. And column G is supposed to be they are either a female or were born in. So logic 1 is based on their gender. And this equals, quote, F for female, or they were born in Houston. So here equals, quote, Houston, quote, and we'll see what we have. Okay, so this one is false because it's not a female, not Houston. This one is a female, true. This one is born in Houston, male. This one is false because it's a male born in Houston, female. This one is male born in Chicago. This one's true because it's a female. False because male in Miami, and true because they were there. Okay, so that one worked. Perfect. A little bit weird, but we got it. This one is a count if. Okay, so insert a formula in cell H6. So right here, that counts the number of men in the table. Select H6, Formulas tab, Insert Function, Count If, Range, and Criteria, Male. Okay, so we know how to do that one. So this one, count if, we're going to say okay, and the range is here, and the criteria is quote and quote. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, that worked. And then insert a function into cell G12 to calculate the total amount of fines, only counting those owing more than $10. Okay, so this is a sum if, and this is the fines. So we're going to go here, insert function, and we're going to say a sum if. I'm going to select that one. The range we're using is this one. And the criteria is greater than $10. There's no other, oh, and the sum range is there. Think about this now. So G12, conditioner criteria, sum range. Okay, insert a function to calculate the amount of fines, only counting those owing more than $10. I feel like I've already done this, but let's see what happens. 152. Okay, let's have a look at our answer key and see if 152 is correct. It is, so we figured it out. Okay, perfect. So we're back here. We did it right. Concatenate. So this is where we're mixing the names. We're combining first and last names here. So we're in here. We're going to go to concat and concatenate. We're going to say okay. And text 1 is going to be here. And text 2 is going to be here. And we're going to say okay. And boom. It just came together. Now, you notice how these are together. Let's see if we can go up to our top here, and in here, let's see if we can do a space. I feel like this is going to give us an error. It didn't do anything. How do we do a space? Okay, so insert a function. Select the first name, comma. Okay, hang on a second. So let's just go out of here and just delete. Sorry. Delete. Delete. Delete, delete, delete. So this one is going to be insert function, concatenate, and we're going to say combine two different cells together. So we're going to cell D5 formulas tab, insert function first name cell is going to be here, and then we're going to comma, colon, no, quotation marks, comma, quotation marks. And then in text 2, here, and we're going to say, oh, it's saying invalid. Okay, so let's see what it says. Text, blah, 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 could be text strings or single cell references. Okay, I don't love this. I'm going to figure this out. Let's go and check on our tab here. Oh, because we're going last name, comma, first name. I see. So we're going last name. Then we've got a comma, a quotation mark, a comma, a quotation mark, a comma. Okay. Let's try this again. And I'm going to read the instructions a little bit better. I doubt it. I never do. Okay. So we're going to go, oh yeah, last name, first name. So we're going to go back in here. Concatenate. Okay. So text number 1 is going to be the last name. And then we're going to go comma, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, comma, and then first name, no. Down here, first name. Okay, so let's see what it does not like here. Okay, so still it gave us an invalid, but it worked. Did this one get a space better than ours? Oh yeah, one space over. So it's Okay, I'm going to go over here with my thing. So we've got comma, quotation mark, comma, and then a space right in there. That's what we're missing. No big deal. So let's go back in here, and we will drop this guy in here. There we go. So that worked. You got your little space. And that is that. If you want to save that one, upload it, that'd be great.